Guys, let's start our recipe by adding the meat over the potatoes. I'm using 1 kilogram of meat, which is 35.27 ounces. I added a little olive oil to the bottom of the dish before I put the potatoes in. Arrange the potatoes on the platter to help them bake. Now let's put 8 garlic on our platter. Spread them well over the dish. If you want to mince, no problem. I'm putting it like this to look nice. Add 2 chopped tomatoes. Add also 1 chopped onion. You can add whatever onion you like best. Spread the ingredients well over the meat. The seasoning should essentially hide the meat. Now add sliced peppers. You can use whatever kind of peppers you like best. Set aside and let's go to the next step. Add 500 milliliters of water. Pour into a bowl with half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato extract and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix everything very well. This broth is very good and tasty, and seasoning this meat in this way is very easy. Pour this broth over the meat and potatoes. Put it in carefully so it doesn't spill. Now use a large platter so it's not too tight. I'm using a large pan for a large recipe. You can make it according to the pan you have at home. Now that we have added the broth, put aluminum foil and cover the entire baking dish. Close the whole thing very tightly so that no air escapes. Our meat will be steamed, so it is very important that it will be closed very tightly. Now our recipe is ready to go in the oven. We're going to bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. And our recipe is ready.